In this video, we'll explore how Odoo helps businesses manage their entire operation through a single platform. Throughout this series, we'll cover the core modules of Odoo, including CRM, purchase, sales, inventory, and accounting. Together, these modules create a seamless workflow that helps businesses manage customer relationships, procurement, sales operations, inventory movement, and financial management from a single system. So, let's start with the CRM module, where we handle our leads. This is the interface of our CRM module. All the leads we have will be listed here along with their stages, such as qualified, proposition, and won. These stages are dynamically managed by us. If we want to create a new stage, we can simply enter the stage name here, and the stage will be created. Whenever we receive a new lead, we can create it by clicking the New button. If the lead belongs to an existing company, we can select it from the company master. Otherwise, we can create a new company directly from here. We can enter the contact email details here and the phone number here. Next, we can add the expected revenue from the lead. For example, if the expected revenue is $5,000, we can enter it here and click Add. The lead will then be added to our database. This amount represents the expected revenue for this stage. For example, if one lead is worth $5,000 and another is worth $2,000, the total expected revenue for the stage will be $7,000. Opening the lead, we can mark its priority. If it is a medium priority lead, we can click the first star. If it is a high priority lead, we can select the second star. The priority will then be displayed in the Kanban view. We can also schedule activities for this lead by clicking the Activity button. If we want to schedule a meeting, we can click the Meeting button, select a time from the calendar, and save the activity so that a meeting is scheduled against this lead. Similarly, if we want to schedule a call, we can click the Call button, set the due date, and save it. If we want to assign the activity to another user in the system, we can select the user here and save the activity. Moving back to the pipeline, we can see that a meeting and a call have been scheduled for this lead, and its priority has been marked. This is how we manage leads in the Odoo CRM. If the lead moves to the qualified stage, we can simply click Qualified. If it moves to the proposition stage, we can click Proposition. If the lead is successfully closed, we can click Won, and the lead will move to the Won stage. Whenever we want to create a quotation for this lead, we can click the New Quotation button. We can either create a new customer or link an existing customer to the quotation and proceed with the appropriate option. The customer information from the lead will be available here. We can then select the product for the quotation. For example, if the product is April Spirit, we can set the quantity to 20 units, the unit price to $10, and apply a 20% discount. The quotation amount will be calculated automatically. Once everything is ready, we can confirm the quotation. The quotation will then be converted into a sales order. We can also move leads between stages using the drag and drop option. Simply drag the lead to the required stage, and it will be updated accordingly. That concludes the CRM module. In the next video, we'll explore the purchase module and learn how to manage vendors, purchase orders, receipts, and vendor bills in Odoo. See you in the next lesson.